You are going to love the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.